guys, it's been me and I am here with a natural hair video. It's been a while since I did a natural hair video, but I decided to get back into the groove of things and I wanted to try this avocado hair mask. I'm pretty excited for this mask. My hair have been growing, but I want to give a little bit more of a curl, a little bit more of moisture and stuff like that for my hair. The first thing I'm going to do is wash my hair and then I'll come back. So if you're interested in this video, then stay tuned. So today I am using apple cider vinegar, I'm using honey, extra virgin olive oil, 1 egg, 1 avocado, and some mayo. I want to pick up some organic mayo, but I'm not about to spend unnecessary money. Mayo is mayo, so I'm using this one. And I am going to do the avocado mask today. And these are the ingredients. So I made mine thick, and I'm just gonna saturate. This is my first time doing this, by the way. I'm just gonna saturate my hair with it, especially my ends. I don't really care for how it smells, but it's whatever. Yeah, I have about this much left. I'm trying to think if I want to save it or just pack it all in here. I'm gonna let this sit for about 45 minutes to an hour, only because I have things to do. So yeah, I don't have like a listen, don't judge. Alright, so now it's time to go wash this stuff out, and I'll be right back to show you what it looks like. So this is what it's looking like. Definitely a lot more volume, not volume, a lot more definition.